So today we will discuss how to visualize the bacterial whole genome sequencing by using CG viewer and also identify the gene on the whole genome sequencing. First of all, you can click on CG viewer and open in CG viewer and open the toolkit. Uh, this is the website where you can visualize the whole genome assembly and also analysis the sequence and also found the your desired gene sequencing. Then you can upload the whole genome sequence in FASTA format or also in GBK format. Uh, it takes some time for upload. After completion of the uploading process of the desired ba- bacterial whole genome, you click on the create map and it also takes some time. After that, you can find the bacterial whole genome assembly in linear format or in circular format. Here we found our whole genome sequence in linear format and it changes into the circular by click on it. This is the assembly of the whole bacterial genome sequence. If you can add the any sequencing or any just like if you can add the ORF, the origin of replication, then click on add, click on OK, and it takes some time. After that, you can found this is the ORF region that can all the ORF region that can present in your bacterial whole genome assembly. Or if you can want to add the resistance gene identifier, click on start, then OK, and it takes some time for processing.